I'm Ben Hope, the product manager for SuperTrak Conveyance. Today we're here in the brand new ATS Innovation Center where we showcase the latest in our automation technology. And one of the highlights of that technology is the SuperTrak Conveyance platform. Although this isn't a new technology, over the course of the last 20 years, we've continued to innovate the product to provide the performance and flexibility required for today's manufacturing. SuperTrak Conveyance is an automation foundation, and it's been implemented time and time again by many of the world's leading manufacturers. And there are a number of reasons for that. Fast and accurate capability, combined with its built-in functionality, enable manufacturers to meet performance requirements in a smaller footprint, and its capability that can be easily scaled to meet business goals. A key differentiator between traditional options and smart conveyance is the independent shuttle control, which can enable asynchronous operation, providing a lot of flexibility for your automation. Set destinations, velocities, accelerations, creating a means to move between one-up and multi-up shuttle processing, optimizing system cycle times and output capacity. Floor space is also a major driver in system design and CapEx spending. Maximizing functionality in the minimum amount of space is essential. Utilizing the track's capabilities to understand how many stations are required and how the workpiece is transported through those stations gives you a thorough understanding of the application. This is highlighted with our simulation tool, which can be accessed through the platform's TrackMaster software. With this tool, you can lay out the conveyance, see the shuttle flow, and get a clear picture of the overall expected system performance. It also provides insight into station processing, what can be optimized or what can be simplified. All of this high-performance capability is achieved with less effort because of the amount of integrated functionality that's packed into the platform. Integrated features include things like collision avoidance. The shuttles will automatically avoid contact. No extra programming is required. Target routing. Set and release shuttles to destinations around the track without any additional management in the PLC. Set pre-stops for areas where you need additional space for tooling or processing. Define regions with specified motion dynamics. Here, the shuttles will move through that region with a specified velocity, acceleration, or jerk. All of these provide the value of achieving maximum functionality in the minimum amount of space. And TrackMaster software is utilized to configure this functionality to suit the application. The SuperTrak platform provides a range of configuration options where floor space is at a premium, or where you need to fit equipment around permanent fixtures like support columns or existing automation. The newest addition to the SuperTrak portfolio is the 90-degree section, which provides even more configuration options. Do you need the system to be as small as possible, or do you need tooling to fit on the inside of the machine rather than the outside of the machine? One interesting application of the 90-degree section is to utilize it in a dial-like configuration. Here we have 4 90-degree sections together, and you can see it's not circular like a traditional dial, it's more of a squared circle. This means that you have non-curved areas, which will allow for easier tooling alignment, particularly in situations where you're utilizing multiple shuttle processing. Traditional dials are synchronous, meaning the slowest process determines the overall cycle time. With this dial-like configuration and the independent shuttle control, you can utilize asynchronous operation. The value of this is that you're no longer limited by the slowest process. For example, you could add another shuttle to optimize the transfer time between stations, or you could utilize a multi-up operation for slower stations. For processes that require waiting, like heating, curing, or cooling, you can utilize the shuttle queue into the next station rather than holding up the entire system process. The shuttle shelf or fixture is also accessible from multiple different angles, not just above or below. This offers a lot of flexibility when it comes to assembly operations. Mount tooling inside or outside, underneath or over top, or a combination. Scaling your production is essential, and it should be easy. Having a modular foundation for your automation offers the flexibility to expand the platform as your business demands increase, or reconfigure the functionality as needed. Not all applications are suited for SuperTrak, but typically, if you have a cycle time of 8 seconds or less, 6 or more process steps, and a repeatability requirement of 100 microns or less, the value created by SuperTrak performance really exceeds the cost of implementation. If you want to learn more about the 90-degree section or other SuperTrak components, please visit us at supertrakconveyance.com.